The reason Marinette School District is looking at a comprehensive plan for our school district is we feel some of the needs that must be addressed at two of the buildings that are aged and are the ones that we're looking at closing. The costs to renovate those buildings would be astronomical. There's some big ticket items, including roofs, sewage systems, water mains, windows. There are several things on that list that are in buildings that, quite honestly, we can still function as a district without operating those buildings. So the 4-building proposal is that students in grades 4K through 1st grade will go to Merriman School, which will require that an addition is put on to Merriman Elementary School. Grades 2 through 4 will attend Park Elementary School, where an addition will also be added on. Both of those additions will come through the referendum. The middle school and the high school will receive no additions at this time. However, there are renovations and upgrades that must take place at those facilities to provide an outstanding personalized learning option for our students.
The primary work that will be done at Marinette Middle School is expanding the cafeteria, which is still part of our old section of the building and has not been updated in many years. So we will be expanding that to allow for more room in our cafeteria common space, as well as updating the bathroom spaces and relocating those spaces. The bathrooms need to be updated. I'm sure that part of it is ADA compliance. However, I did give a tour of our building to the class of 1950-something who used to attend high school on that location, and they said that the bathrooms in that location are the exact same color, with the same fixtures and mirrors and whatnot.
The work completed at the high school will be to upgrade our library media center so that it's supportive to the 21st century student in a modern learning environment, which will better enable our teachers to work, engage the students, and to work with them independently, in small groups and in large groups. In order to do that, we are going to have to upgrade our furniture into more flexible furniture so that it can be arranged into small groups or a large group. We will have to update our technology, and we'll have to have connected devices, and we'll have to have audio-visual materials, and all those things that these 21st century students need in order to succeed.
Currently, Marinette School District is at $8.73 per thousand in real estate value. If a referendum passes and an initial 93 cents is added to that 873, that's going to decrease significantly again as other debt drops off, energy efficiency debt and other Fund 38 debt that the district has. By the time we reach 2027, we will be even lower than we are today. The Marinette School District for the past decade has been extremely responsible with their fiscal resources. They developed a budgeting system that is zero-based. It takes nothing for granted and builds fresh every year. Because of those efforts, the mill rate for the district is significantly below the state average. What that means to Marinette School District families and community members is the district is doing a lot more wonderful work with fewer resources.
This referendum is important to our students, our staff, their families, and the community because it can put Marinette on a level playing field with other districts throughout the state. We feel our students deserve as high quality education as anybody else in the state. And right now, with us operating with 6 buildings, when we can operate at a high level of excellence with just 4 buildings, it is the right time to do what's best for our kids.